Hello. Last time we learned about multi-digit subtraction. In the last, 3 videos, 2 of them were about multi-digit subtraction. But now we are gonna learn how to upload a video like me. So we basically go to this link. The link is in the description. Now you click on this plus button to make a new video. This video will be a bit boring. So sorry. Now, as you can see, with this website, again, the link is in the description. You can make anything you want. You can even add animation. Just select the thing you want and click on animate and then do whatever you want. This is not a Google Slides tutorial, but this is how to make a ScienceLang video. This does not have any education in it, I know that, but the reason I am using the reason I am doing such video is because I want to help the people who wonder how I do my videos. The channel called Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, they did a video called How to Make a Kurzgesagt Video in 1200 hours or more. So that video inspired me to create my own video based on how I create my channel. So now, getting back to how to create a video, once you finish it, if you don't have this software, then you have to download it. So, this is the software. I can't open it as I'm using that software to record. But we go to iSpring FreeCam, click on new recording, and once you set all your settings, you then have to make your video. So you can either directly upload it to YouTube, or you may save it as a file and go to your YouTube studio and create that video. Now, I just save the video and then I upload it to YouTube with YouTube Studio. I'll show you how. First, go to your YouTube Studio. Link is in the description. So, we go to that link and then, so what next? That's the link for my YouTube studio. Now, you have this. If you go to other videos and see what the YouTube studio looks like, in some of them it'll be a lot different, but this is a new YouTube studio. The old one is inaccessible. It's not gone, but it's inaccessible with YouTube Studio. But you can still access it if you have add-ons like VidIQ. So, basically, now we just click on upload video, then select a file you want to upload, so now you know why I've got this screen? Well, it's because of the special tool called VidIQ.com. The link for downloading the extension and authenticating is in the description. Thank you. And I'll see you next time.